Hi, welcome back to my journal journey. Today I'm taking a look at the 12 days of planning Upsa Daisy Make It Happen box. I bought the 12 days plus the A5 Make It Happen journal. I'm going to put in the 12 shorts that I made unboxing each of these items, and then we'll take a look at them all together. I have tried to take as much as possible out of the packaging already, just so that there's no crinkly noise or anything, but the stickers I have kept together. So the first item is this little pouch, which is really, really cute. Then there's an uppercase stencil, some postcards, and on each of the postcards there are some little prompts and ideas. Oh, this is a pencil case. I don't know why that was hard for me to figure out. Got some post-it notes for habits and habit tracking, which I think will get used. Some black post-it notes in the shape of a star with a silver pen. I'm going to give this silver pen to my mum because I did get one in the latest big one box. Nice keyring that says make it happen. An absolute beautiful washi tape, which I do love. Another prompt card. Another stencil with a whole goal, habit, some arrows, a full page sticker sheet with months of the year, days, year in pixels, goals, habits and key. Some stickers which I am going to open in a moment. Another postcard. Speech bubble, thought bubble, pocket stencil. I think this might be the sticker sheet that I forgot to take out the envelope during the short. So nice little colouring page. Some more stickers. Again, I'll open those in a moment. Some more stickers, which I think is linked to the 25 in 2025. Another postcard. A stencil for 25 in 2025. And an envelope with sticky tape on the back. And then dot grid journal, which I'm quite excited about getting into. Then the first postcard is at the bottom. So that's everything from the box. They all came in lovely envelopes, which I do have a stack of them here if you did want to use this side for backing paper. That would be an option. So I'm going to put all the postcards just in a pile to the side and have a closer look at these stickers. Yeah, I've just taken the top off and I didn't need to. So you just got some make it happen at the top with a little light bulb, dream big, take action, work hard, stay positive. And they are all stickers. And then inspirational stickers. Make it happen. 2025. Take action. Stay positive. Dream big. And work hard. Overall, a nice collection of stuff. For the price it was. Looking at it all together, am I a little bit underwhelmed? Kind of. But that's the risk that you take. There are some absolute bangers in here, like this set of post-it notes and the washi tape. I do like these stickers. I think they're my highlights from it. And the keychain. I always like a good keychain. So yeah, that's the make it happen. I'm hoping that some of the tips and tricks on the back of these postcards will help me to set my 2025 goals. I've also been researching on YouTube a lot, trying to find some help and inspiration, and I will be doing a video linked to goals. Hopefully it'll pull from some of the bits in on these postcards. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.